Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about Arcus, a new project which has its waitlist open currently. So this project is built by the team behind dYdX in partnership with Robinhood. So this is really a strong sign. Right now they have 366k huge followers on Twitter. And as for the funding, they have not revealed the exact details. But here you can also see they are backed by Robinhood. To know more about them, their tagline is trade crypto or stocks while the world sleeps, and the best part is you can trade 24/7 with zero fees, which is really amazing. I'll show you how you can join their waitlist, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for all the latest videos. And most importantly, you must join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto news and airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join their waitlist, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you will find this page link. After landing here, first click here on Connect Wallet. Then you will see the Accept Referral option. So click here, connect a new wallet. Then here you have lots of different wallet options. You can choose any of them. So I'll select MetaMask here. Then click on Connect. And then confirm the request. Then you can accept my referral. So click on accept referral code. Then confirm the MetaMask request. And finally your wallet will be connected. Next you need to connect your X account. So click on connect your X. Then authorize it. Then you need to follow them on Twitter. So click the follow button and it will redirect you to X. So follow their profile and then go back and the task will be completed. After that, here you will see your waitlist rank, which shows 81,684 now. Then you have more ways to move up the queue. So you can connect your dYdX V4 address. So click here. Then click on the wallet address. Then click on confirm address. Then confirm the MetaMask request and done. Next you can also join their Telegram channel as well. So here you will find your referral link. So here simply you can put any name, then click create referral button, then confirm the MetaMask request and your personal link will be created, which you can share with your friends. So you can also use the spot trading feature on their platform without needing early access. So you need to sign in using your wallet. And here is the deposit option. So you can deposit crypto for trading. So here is the spot trading section. You can trade any stocks here. So click here. And here you see all the big stocks are available where you can select any for trading. So that's it for this video. Please like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.